Hi everyone, I'm Nate. For the RC Sailors, we're out at our park today to drive the DHK Hobby Zombie. Now, you guys, I know most of you watching the channel know what that little zombie is. And if you don't, well, you live under a video game rock. Tell me that's not a Plants vs. Zombies zombie. Same with up there. So, if you know anybody that plays Plants vs. Zombies, kid in your life, they're going to love this thing. You can tell them it's the Plants vs. Zombies truck. Now, recently on the channel, we did a speed test with this, and it went 50 kilometers an hour right out of the box, 100% stock with a fresh charge. 50 kilometers an hour, that's crazy. We're gonna do some four-wheel drive bashing and test the capabilities of this thing and just see how much fun it is as a basher. So with Abby at the controls, we're gonna see what this thing is made of. It should be pretty sweet. Okay, you ready, Abby?
Yeah.
There she goes. Yeah. So this is gonna be a whole new beast off-roading versus on that track. So let's try. I'm gonna try not to break anything today. I hope we don't break anything. Woo! So many trees and things to hit here.
Popping wheelies.
Wow. Man, this thing is crazy. Just on this little, wow,
that was close.
Wow. Now we can turn the steering sensitivity back up because we have it down for that speed test. If you feel like you don't have enough control.
Not much.
Right? Or was it the top?
Well, that was fun.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. You were just coasting.
Yeah. I want to go hit that little root that I hit a second ago.
Okay.
It's right there.
This is an amazing basher. This is very cool. Yeah. This is just a 3-cell 2600 milliamp LiPo. Nicely done. Good job. Okay, this thing is insane. Very cool, very fast, very powerful. It's a good all-around bashing truck for sure. Wow. This is a fun little path for it. Yeah, it's a good truck. Nice. It's a pretty scary truck, it really is. You guys get something like this and it's this powerful, you really need to drive it pretty responsibly because you could hurt someone very badly by clipping their ankles. Very badly. Thing is awesome. Man. Okay, all right, I gotta drive this. I gotta drive it. Whoa, nice.
There you go.
All right, is it still trimmed up okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Feels pretty good. Yeah, nice. Awesome, that's full throttle. Oh, I'm bad, okay.
It's landing on its feet though.
Yeah. Yeah, this is very cool. Alright, let's do a little grass on the hill here. See how it does. Coming uphill, test that four-wheel drive out, and some thicker grass and leaves. Alright, there we go.
Nice.
That was good. I feel like I want to have more control. So was it the top one? Okay, we'll try that. I just didn't feel like I could turn sharp enough curves. Oh no, I'm bad at driving trucks. Fun driving this uphill because it pops the wheelies, and then when you like power slide in the gravel, it just throws the gravel everywhere. It's really cool. That is so awesome. Abby, you know what we need to do before the battery dies? Hill climb challenge. Who wants to see it? Let's go! Yeah, there you go. Oh my gosh, it did amazing at doing the hill climb challenge. We had to be a little quiet there because there was a birthday party of kids at the bottom of the hill, so we didn't want to be too intrusive. We just did the quick hill climb challenge and then moved on. Now let's do a little bit more bashing. We've got a cool spot here where we think we can pull off a little ramp or two and just have some more fun with this truck because this is a lot of fun. Okay, not much of a ramp. That was pretty good. Nice little hop. Not bad, not bad. Okay, okay. All right, nice little save there, truck. That was a barrel roll. Oh, that was fun.
Not a great place.
Nah. Okay, all right, that was good, right? I'm not gonna go much more brutal than that. I should see that.
That's lame.
No, 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 no. Because I want to keep it in one piece today. That was a good ramp. Are you kidding?
Let me just get way down here so it looks like an awesome ramp for you. Oh, the battery's dead?
Yeah. Well, here, I'll go full speed. That's full speed.
Yeah.
So, battery's dead. Guys, this truck is absolutely amazing. That was 100% stock. No more juice.
Come on, battery.
100% stock. I can still steer it.
There you go.
Gravity's pulling me down. Really fun. This was able to do everything that we threw at it and then some. It held up well to the speed test. I think that this is one of the nicest ground vehicles we've had on the channel all year for sure. Two major thumbs up. Super durable, super fast, very fun. What I would probably do is put in like a 5,000 milliamp 3-cell LiPo battery and get almost double the
4
runtime.
cells.
Maybe 4 cells. Yeah, super cool. Highly recommend it. We'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.